ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Sakhi api, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka jingwan sar jong ka khlam jingpang COVID khat khandai ha usnem arjar arpho ha ka jilla Meghalaya bat ka balas dang banja suki menta usnem arjar arphuwei kala pendko lut amtang ya ka trei ka kta jong ki pajba henrei kala penkenja ru wat ye ki Tamasa ki ba he ki bajulong ki jingpen berngya ya ki nong shong shnong bat ye ki nong wan jingok kai perthei ki bajuwan shang suwari ha ka ni ka jilla Meghalaya. Shisngi shwa baka perthai barok kawai kan rakhe ye ka sngi bakerpang jong ki shijur kata ha ka khat sautrik rumpang arajar arphuwei ya ka bala jutip ru ha ka kti nongwei kum ka Valentine's Day henrei ha ka ni ka kenti ka team Madness kala penbena pajba bakan sa penlong ya ka Tamasa Madness hip hop event ha ka khatlai trik rumpang arajar arphuwei ha sam khamti parking lot ka badan ha ka shnong urkaliar Shillong ha ka baki pajba kin sayok lat ban Sakhi ye ki jingpen berngya ki balai phojaj na ki nong ruai bat ki nong shat ki bala pau khmat bha ha ka jilla
jing tmu hi bile ye kan event hi kan bagi kwa ban promote ye ki kena jom nomor ha ka kenhon kidan ki kenhon ki bustanat ye ka sports kidan ki kenhon ki ba stanat pada kam ruai kam pot kam tem kam sel hi ba hakani ka job pemerintah hibur ki hasil ni bet bah hakani ka lain tambah ka Shillong ba kim dan pada ki ba kersa ni ki miok pada kata kerensan te kani hi ka bingi form ni ka Madness ru kadi bingi kwa pun promote iki kena hasil jom te kena aku brief no bingi sedang ni ka Madness ki tim ki naik berang kena start di adapt event management kada puli event management na sebar ti kidan langut ni kiri pra tre sebar te Hadien jong tu COVID-19 Hadien ka lockdown kini ki hapan phan sa Shillong te ki ya kendu ya ga sebenarnya macam ni sebenarnya macam ki kendu ya ki kendu yang basam ni menang kam show ni kam pula ban ni kwa employment mo te ki wan oi nga ki ong ba
dan idea
longi ni kliki qualification ni tak adapt ki ngin adapt ya pas ki event management adapt ki event management course ni stie tingi la adapt ban trei ru stie ngin dan experience ru ka Shillong pada ba kani ka COVID-19 ni ngapan phan ob yang sejala jong tinga klipi pinang ni mantri di ki kam kan am ni Shillong comfortable bed bingin yo ani ka lain okay nga dan ka lat bingin ya le te ngoi ki form some event management ngin promote pada iki kena kasih jong nomor Margar masih pet ba po YouTube ki bun ba ki kena kasih sini bra bet ba dan 1 million likes teng shi tang YouTube ni pada ki in real life
di ki nomor ban one ki di bala dreams dah they're very good in their skill and in their field kum Majid and then Leo Boys ki one of the best rappers in Shillong and they are releasing their album today and Andrea Tariante she has already been in films and in Bollywood. Sheen is with us. Sheen Ru in Sakhi, he'll say a few words. And then Noreen Dunai, she is Mrs. Shillong 2019 and then Kari Mrs. Seven Sisters 2020. There come Venin I think so done by Jong Rikhasi channel and all. I guess they have associated dengan Tom. The Pali Wajri brought the first Zumba to Shillong. They are very good in their field. Even one shy and then support and the platform and mo kipat ba bro please support us and support ikiniro ki talents ki benwan shy they really need your love and support and claim of fees tekadum lahi kum kat ticket haning thok khat sun spa 1500 tang ba bon bekila and last one to ba bon pengi claim don jingirap no we did not get any funds any any sponsors and also milet na ladehi and ban naka jingirap jong ba sam baro te takadaw any charge kat tu mga ticket hindi wala kum tar ko baro bikin wan ki pa hapo Shillong ban support dingi te ngila le kan bala bikin reduce no sha 1000 tingka to 1000 te I know ma Shillong jongi baro ki Shillong high music jingput jingtem jurwai borok kita, and it's the first event after COVID-19. They release ke stress finally, and borok nak let through legal. They ba sam na rap hai ngi tengi kwa ki breu apa ki breu kini rap can support mde tang yangi, especially kini ki artists hang ne badan pop poster bi don kam shai ta jing rap na fisa. You can go international, and it's only the fear support na fisa. I think tingi don fashion, music, hip hop, rap battle, beatboxing, the showstoppers. There we have everything. It's a one-stop shop done for everything.
Basically, we want all the artists but in Shillong to get in touch with industry.
Industry, yes.
So and that's how they go up. That's how they grow. So if they're not in touch with the industry, they can't grow.
When I released first single jonga used to be but standard beats and ngarang tray rubudu nadu arajar arpo and ngarang sang pen mi hi jirai R&B the islat sa R&B te nga release ka single o ka EP jonga short album. It's an extended play South League jirai nga release lasai kesni ha all streaming platforms ha internet but haju oporu nga debut ya ka EP jonga ha ka show ni kini sia lasai te. So bah ki borok ki barang epek mah mentah pindala man support yang ni borok one and you'll have a good time kadang open bar kadang there's a lot of things going on there. It's not just music, it's so many activities in one film entertained 100%. The venue is spot on ngalit cilek sibet tu